We're at one of the facilities Michelin used to test tire in winter conditions. Today we're going to talk about what affects the range of your electric vehicle. With the inconveniences of charging, EV owners know range is a big deal. Air temperature, road condition, the cabin heating system, your own driving style, and the battery itself can all affect your EV's driving range. But can tire make a difference? Well, tires with lower rolling resistance use less energy. All else being equal for two EVs, the EV with the tires that have a lower rolling resistance will be able to drive further. Based on our research, we know that owners of EV electric vehicle wants a winter tire that provides winter traction in all winter conditions, is durable and quiet, while not sacrificing their vehicle range. Michelin has been researching and developing energy-efficient tires since the 1970s, improving energy efficiency of its tires by 20% over the past 20 years. In fact, compared to the previous generation of the tire, the Michelin X-Ice Snow tire lowered rolling resistance by 9%. The Michelin X-Ice Snow tire has very low rolling resistance at levels similar to our Pilot Sport EV tires and original equipment Primacy all-season tire line offers. Michelin winter tires, designed and developed with the highest standard, providing long-lasting performance to meet the need of your EV.